Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from Nissin Foods. This is beautiful Yakisoba. This is their Koikoi seafood barbecue flavor. So that's what we're doing today on the big show. Something you'll enjoy. I hope you'll join me and enjoy the thing. So all right, for later, loose bits from the tray and our soba block. That needs to fit. You need to fit. You know you do. $3 Come on. Get in. There you go. You are submerged. And now I start the timer. Out. Over here. That's your way. So, this weekend was Pokemon Go Fest. I don't know if you're the persuasion type that enjoys Pokemon Go. I enjoy it less and less every time I play it. Because it's just like they want money. They want money to play the game. I understand. The whole thing, though, it's just like there's this one time every year where they have this big thing and you're gonna get a whole bunch of cool stuff. I didn't get any cool stuff. Really. I didn't get a hundo, which is a perfect Pokemon. Didn't get any hundos. Just got some nothing cool, really. So I could whine and complain, but there's not much point. But I really wanted to get something cool, and I didn't get anything cool, so I'm going to whine and complain. But that was yesterday and the day before. And that is over. I'm done with that. So, the next thing that'll be, I don't know. There's more things that are going to happen. But that thing is over. Yeah, touche. Yakisoba, yeah, Koikoi Yakisoba. Should be good. I don't know, I've had Koikoi Yakisoba before, but I think this one's a little different. I'm hoping. So I don't know that I like the other stuff as much. We'll see. Yeah. I'm trying to do a lot of walking in preparation for the going back to trying to do 15 miles a day. I'm really thinking about just taking fall off. All of it. So from like September 6th until they get their Christmas break, no more. Nothing. I'll do top 10s. I need to do top 10s in that period. But, and now with my computer set up the way it is, editing top 10s is going to be so much better than it was. Oh, the software would just crash all the time, and it was just like, but now it's so much quicker, faster, happier. I love it. So. Yeah, that was a good investment. It was pretty cheap, too. So. There we are. So here is our Yakisoba noodle. Let's make it so. I am ready. I want to garnish this sucker like like garnishable. Let's do that. So we're gonna add in the liquid base soba sauce. There we go. Can you guys turn it down out there? Find the remote. Get out here. Look under the couch. Look on the couch. Look around the couch. They must be found. It must be assimilated. It's like it's echoing in my head. So this one kind of has a little bit of that issue. The other one did. At least it's a little bit more colored. But I like yakisoba. That looks different. Like shio yakisoba never looks right. Cheers. Mmm. Wow. That's good. I enjoy that. Let's see what we got here. Some powdery stuff. That smells a lot different now too. Not shichimi like I thought. Yeah, it could be white pepper. A little bit creamier with that. Okay, that's not bad for a seafood yakisoba. I find myself partial to that. So now let's go crazy and garnish the hell out of this thing. All right. So we are adding in this. You have only one job. Find the remote. Turn down the TV. Look under the blankets. Sorry, folks. Oh. And we got... I'm going to do the chunk. It's somewhere. It might be on the floor. Look around, look around, look around. Just add a slice of chashu. You gotta have chashu. Okay, I'm doing my show. Actually, it's not my show, folks. It's the people's show. I've got some fish ball. This is a seafood noodle after all. Fish ball. And I've got some, or an slice of Narutomaki. I've got a little spring onion. A bit of seed. Next part's gonna make you go, ooh, schmancy. Mari, come in here. Look at this. Look what he's doing on that noodle. Oh, good. Wow. please tell me somebody somewhere, some lady is screaming for her husband Maury to look at what I'm doing with noodles right now. If that happens and that's you, you can totally write in the comments. You can be on the show. Are you serious? Okay, let's see. There you go. What do you think of that, Maury? Maybe a little bit of shichi. Light dusting there. And there. Oh God, look at that. Oh wow. All right, yeah, look at that. Rotato, bring us home. Well, what did you think of that? I hope you liked that. The next one, holy cow, you ready to see a big noodle package? Is that what you were hoping to see today? Look at that. Holy cow, right? This was found at a place called the Apna Bazaar, next to the Chuck E. Cheese in Bellevue, Washington. This is Smith & Jones very, very tasty masala noodles from India. And this will be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. It helps a world of noodles become available to people everywhere. And get a membership if you want. I don't care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.